In this video, I will show you how to fix CapCut lag issues so you can have smooth video playback on your PC. And if you have any question towards the end of this video, do not hesitate to drop it in the comment section. I'm going to reply immediately once I see it. And do consider smashing that subscribe button if you find this video helpful. Alright, let's get right to it. Now, simply open your CapCut app on your PC and then import that video that you want to edit. Now, what you have to do, you see that this section is saying full, and then if you hover on it, you see playback quality. Click on it and then select medium quality. What this is going to do is that it's going to give you a smoother playback when you are editing your video, and also it's not going to affect your exported video quality. Then once you've done that, the next thing you need to do is to click on this menu and then click on settings. Once you get in here, you have to click on performance, and then you see this prosy below. Enable it. Now once you enable this prosy, it's actually going to help your videos like to be smoother and then also faster without you losing video quality. So once you've enabled this prosy, all you have to do is click on save to apply changes, and you are going to observe that when you play your video, it's going to actually be very smoother. You can see it right now. This is super smooth. So this is how it works. Another thing is that while you are editing with these settings on, you are going to experience that your video quality is quite low while you are editing the video. But you don't have to be worried, because this is not actually going to affect your exported video quality, like I said earlier. So when you are about to export, you still be able to export in your usual 4K or 2K or 1080p, any one of your choice. So it's not actually going to affect your exported video quality. Lastly, if you found any value from this video, then do consider smashing that subscribe button to help me on my YouTube growth journey, because I've been trying to get to 1000 subscribers for a while now, and it have actually been taking me forever just to get there. But I know that with your help, through you smashing that button, I can actually get there super fast and super easy. Also, by now I think you might be seeing some of my similar videos or some of my playlists on your screen. So if you have some free time, you can go ahead and also watch that to learn more from my channel, because we learn every day. And that's it for that. I'm going to see you guys on my next video.